Hi guys and welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make zero waste traditional Kohl or Kajal eyeliner. For this project you will need a traditional oil lamp with a wick, as well as matches or a lighter, a ceramic ramekin and a stainless steel metal tray. You will also need something to raise the tray up off the ground. You can use any plant-based oil. In this case I'm using locally sourced Cotswolds rapeseed oil. The blocks you use to suspend your tray should work out just at the right heights with your lamp, so that the flame from your lamp is just touching the underside of your stainless steel plate or tray. So when you turn the tray upside down over the lamp, oxygen should still be able to get into the flame, but the flame itself should be burning directly against the metal plate so that no oxygen is where the soot itself is forming. Every 10 minutes move your tray around slightly and the flame will leave dots of soot in slightly different places. Once you've collected enough soot, simply scrape the soot away from your metal plate with a teaspoon and it will come away really easily. This soot is very silky and smooth in very fine granules, so it's very important to try and make sure that you get all of it off the plate and all of it falling down clear into your ceramic ramekin. Depending on how large your final cosmetics container that you're going to fill with Kohl is, you may need to repeat this step multiple times. I have quite large cosmetics tins, so I wouldn't actually be able to fill this really very straightforwardly. So the smaller the cosmetics tin that you can find, the better. Because I want my eyeliner to be solid at room temperature, I'm going to use coconut oil to bind this. You could alternatively use any oil that you might use for, say, massage or skin applications like jojoba oil or grapeseed oil, but in this case I'm going to use coconut oil for that solidity. So I'm going to place this on top of the metal tray where it's warm so that it can melt down whilst I prepare another batch of soot. I'm then going to add the soot to my liquid coconut oil and mix the two components together to form a thick black paste. This will be fairly liquid at this point because the coconut oil is fully melted. Use the back of the teaspoon to push out any lumps and bumps and make sure that the soot is thoroughly combined with the oil. If I do a little test here, you can see the darkness and consistency. You want to make sure that you add enough soot to your coconut oil so that it's very dark. If you've added too much coconut oil, you'll get a very pale colour and you might need to add more soot until you reach the desired consistency. I'm now going to pour the mixture into my cosmetics tin. Once cooled, your gel eyeliner will now last for between 3 and 4 months. Then simply apply with a very fine makeup brush or paintbrush. Enjoy!